Here is a problem. Sorry, very good morning. Here is a problem. We'll continue triangle. In the last class, we discussed up to 6.3 ninth problem. Now 6.3 10th problem. Here is a problem. In triangle ABC and EFG, this point D and H, and D is on the line segment of AB and H is a point on a side EF. And one more, he has given in a question, ABC is similar to triangle FEG. He has given this point is on the side AB and this H is a point on a side EF. And one more, is there in a question, this CD bisect the angle C. This acts like a bisector of angle C, and this HG is a bisector of angle G. Okay, and next what we have to prove is, we have to show that this is there in the question. This is given. This triangle, whole triangle is similar to this triangle FEG. Both triangles are similar. If both the triangles are similar, then we have to prove that this ratio CD divided by GH is equals to AC by FG, and these two triangles are similar. DCB similar to HGE, where it is DCB is similar to HEG, this triangle. And one more, DCA, this triangle is similar to this triangle. We have to prove first three, and the given thing is this ABC is similar to FEG. With the help of this statement, okay, we'll try to prove all remaining three. Here is given in triangle ABC similar to FEG means in triangle ABC and EFG, angle A equals to angle F according to this statement. Why? Both the triangles are similar. If both the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, angle A equals to angle F. And one more, angle B equals to angle E, and angle C equals to angle G. This is there in the question itself. He has given both the triangles are similar. If both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal. And this is angle C equals to angle G. Also, half of angle C equals to half of angle G also. Why? This is CD is a bisector of angle C, and this HG is a bisector of angle G. We can write half of angle C equals to half of angle G also. They are there in the corresponding, similar triangles ABC and EFG. And first, one more, this CD acts like a bisector means we'll call this as angle 1, and this is angle 2, and this is 3, and this one is 4. Okay, and next, angle 1 equals to angle 3 we can write, yes or no, or angle 1 equals to angle 2 also we can write. With the help of bisector of a CD, okay, with the help of given points, we will try to prove the remaining three. First one is, we'll prove this triangle. With the help of given things, we can prove the remaining. How? In these two triangles and this one triangle, ACD and this triangle, which one? FGH. In triangle, in both the triangle, angle A equals to angle A, angle A equals to angle F. This is that. Okay, in which triangle? In triangle A, here it is, ACD or DCA, and in triangle HGF. In these two triangles, angle A equals to angle F. This statement is there in a question. Both the triangles are similar. In these two triangles, angle A equals to angle F. Okay. One more. Just now we got by the bisector of CD, angle 2 equals to angle 4. Correct? Angle 2 equals to angle 4. This is also angle and this is also angle. This one we got by similarity. Here is given angle A equals to angle F, and this one angle 2 equals to angle 4 by the bisector of a CD and HG. Therefore, by A criteria, triangle DCA is similar to triangle HGF. We got this. Okay. And if both the triangles are similar, we can write the ratio as CD divided by HG or GH. CD divided by GH equals to AC divided by FG. Why? If both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides, okay, are there in the same ratio by the definition of similarity. If both the triangles are similar, their corresponding angles are also equal and their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, okay, proportion. We can write this one. Clear? We got the second one, first one also and last one also. First one we got we proved both the triangles similar by first one angle A equals to angle F, and this one angle 2 equals to angle 4. Therefore, by angle criteria, both the triangles are similar, and this one is like a CPCT. If both the triangles are similar, then the ratios of their corresponding sides are equal only. Both ratios are there in the corresponding similar triangles. Yes or no? We got the first one also and last one also. Then last one we have to prove this triangle. Which triangle? DCB is similar to HGE. Already we can in triangle DCB, and triangle HGE, already we know angle B equals to angle E. Why? By this statement, both triangles are similar. We can write angle B equals to angle E. Okay, this is there in the given statement only. Both the triangles are similar. Angle B equals to angle E. Okay, and one more. Angle 1 equals to angle 3 also we can write. Angle 1 equals to angle 3. By the bisector, we got this statement by the bisector. Angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. We can write both the triangles are similar. If both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are also equal. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Okay? And therefore, by A criteria, we can write triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. Hence, proved. Nothing is there here. First, he has given in a statement this one. ABC is similar to FEG. Okay, this is a statement he has given in a question. Okay, according to the statement, we wrote angle A equals to angle F, angle B equals to angle E, angle C equals to angle G. Also, by the bisector of CD and HG, we can write half of angle C equals to half of angle G. Why? This CD acts like a bisector of CD. Sorry, angle E, angle C, and HG acts like a bisector of angle G. Okay, and we'll prove remaining 3 by the statement of this one. We can write, okay. And in first one, in triangle DCA and HGE, angle A equals to angle A and angle 2 equals to angle 4. By AA criteria, both the triangles are similar. If both the triangles are similar, then their corresponding ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Here we have both the ratios are there in the same two similar triangles. Then their ratios of their corresponding sides are equal. Is the first one and is the last one we proved. And last one we need to prove DCB is similar to HGE. Here it is. Already we have angle B equals to angle E. By this statement, both triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are equal. And one more we need to write, angle 1 equals to angle 3. By the bisector of CD and HG we have. Therefore, by angle criteria, these two dotted triangles are similar. Okay, next question, 11th question. ABC is a triangle in which E is a point of an isosceles triangle produced. Isosceles triangle BC, of a side BC, you produce BC, you will get point E, okay. And EF is a perpendicular to AC. Perpendicular means 90 degree. This EF is perpendicular to AC and AD is perpendicular to BC. Okay, this is a question. And what we have to prove? Triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF, where they are ABD similar to ECF. Okay. Okay. Here we have to prove triangle ABD. This triangle ABD. Here it is. ABD similar to this triangle EFC. For that, he has given some clues. EF is perpendicular to AC, means this F is angle F equals to 90, and in triangle ABD, this AD is perpendicular to BC. Therefore, angle D is also 90 only. In triangle ABD and triangle EFC, angle D equals to angle F. Why? 90 degree. Both are 90 degree in both the triangles. In triangle ABD, this D is a 90 degree. In triangle EFC, this angle F is 90 degree. Okay, first statement, first reason. And next one more we will take. Which one? He has given in a question. Is an isosceles, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Okay, sorry for the inconvenience. He has given in triangle ABD, D is a 90 degree, and in triangle EFC, F is a 90 degree. In both triangles, angle D equals to angle F, 90 degree. One more we will take. He has given in a question, side is an isosceles triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. If in isosceles triangle opposite sides are equal, then we have also base two angles are equal. If opposite two sides are equal, then in isosceles triangle, then therefore we have opposite base two angles are also equal. Therefore, this C is common for both the triangles. Angle B equals to angle C, correct? Therefore, angle C is there in EFC, and also this C is there in ABC. Angle according to isosceles triangle, angle B equals to angle C. We can write angle C equals to angle C also. C is a common triangle, or we can write angle B equals to angle C. By ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ